Today we are going to learn about wild animals. Some animals live in jungles, deserts, mountains, seas, away from human beings. These animals cannot be tamed. Such animals are called wild animals. Tiger, leopard, lion, zebra, bear, deer, shark, elephant are examples of wild animals. Some animals live on land, other animals live in water. Land animals have varieties of shelter. These animals wander in the jungle in search of food, water, and safe place to live. Mole, earthworms, mongoose, and rat live in holes under the ground. Rabbits live in burrows. Insects like ants live in colonies under the soil. They make anthills. Animals like monkeys and squirrels live on the branches or the holes of trees. Elephants live in groups. Some animals like octopus and fish live in water. Some animals like crocodiles, frogs, tortoise can live both on land and in water. Different animals eat different kind of food. Some animals such as elephants, giraffe, zebras, hippopotamus eat grass, fruits, leaves and plants. These animals are called plant-eating animals or herbivorous animal. Some animals kill other animals to eat their flesh. Animals such as lions, crocodiles, tigers, leopards, and snakes hunt smaller animals for food. These animals are called flesh-eating animals or carnivores. Some animals like bat, crows, bear eat both plant as well as flesh of other animals. These animals are called omnivores. Some animals such as vultures, hyenas, wild dog, jackal eat flesh of dead animals. In this way, they help to keep the jungle clean. These animals are called scavengers. Forests are the home to the wild animals. Cutting down of trees and clearing of forests destroys the home of wild animals. Animals such as leopards, tigers are killed by human beings for their skin. Elephants are killed for their tusks. Animals that are very few in numbers and may soon disappear from the earth, they are called endangered animals. So children, let us pledge today to be kind to animals and save them. Thank you.